Welcome to a journey that transforms your financial reality, moving away from empty promises to building true, lasting wealth today. Most people live in a constant state of reaction, letting bills and unexpected expenses dictate their entire emotional and mental state. We are not here to offer you a get-rich-quick scheme that disappears, but a solid roadmap for success. This is a 5-year plan designed to take you from financial survival mode to absolute mastery of your money. We will break down this complex process into manageable stages, ensuring you understand exactly what to do at every single step. Just like a mighty tree needs deep roots before it touches the sky, your wealth needs a strong, unbreakable foundation. Prepare your mind for a shift in perspective, because the way you view your income is about to change forever. Let us begin immediately with year 1, the most critical phase, where we build your foundation and your protective financial shield. The primary goal of this first year is to stop reacting to your money and start directing exactly where it flows. The first step is directing your income flow immediately, automating savings the moment your paycheck hits your bank account securely. You must build a financial shield, starting with a $1,000 emergency fund to handle life's little unexpected surprises. This small fund prevents a minor car repair or medical bill from spiraling into a major financial disaster for you. Simultaneously, you must declare war on high-interest debt, attacking those credit card balances that are draining your hard-earned future. Stop the bleeding by cutting off the source of the problem, ensuring you do not add new debt while paying off old. This year requires sacrifice and discipline, choosing home-cooked meals over expensive dining to free up cash for your freedom. Every dollar you save now is a soldier recruited for your army, ready to fight for your financial independence later. Watching your net worth turn from negative to positive is a psychological victory that fuels your motivation to keep going. Track every penny you spend this year, because awareness is the first step to controlling your financial destiny and habits. By the end of this first year, that shield will be solid, protecting you from the chaos that ruins most plans. You will sleep better at night knowing that you have a safety net and a plan to handle whatever comes next. Now we move to year 2, transitioning from survival mode into a strategic phase of building real momentum and growth. This is the year to prove to yourself that your salary is not the only limit to what you can earn. We encourage you to find a small side income, whether it is freelancing, tutoring, or selling a skill you possess. Even a small trickle of extra income can dramatically accelerate your debt payoff or savings rate when applied consistently. The goal is not to become a millionaire overnight, but to break the psychological barrier that says you have fixed income. Invest time in learning a new skill this year that can be monetized. Treating your brain as your greatest asset, you will start to feel the wind at your back as the momentum of your efforts begins to compound noticeably. Your savings rate should increase this year, not because you cut more costs, but because you increase your total income. Continue to keep your lifestyle expenses low, resisting the urge to upgrade your life just because you made extra money. Your financial tree is growing taller, and while it is not yet a giant, it is strong enough to stand alone. Year 3 is about expansion, taking the stability you have built and using it to aggressively optimize your main career. With your finances stable, you can now take risks in your career, negotiating for a raise or seeking better positions. You are no longer desperate for a paycheck, which gives you the ultimate leverage to demand what you are truly worth. Focus on turning that side hustle from a hobby into a structured business stream that requires less of your direct time. Start thinking about delegation or automation for your side projects, valuing your time more than the money you save doing it. You are widening your base, ensuring that if one income stream dries up, you have others to keep you afloat. Any surplus cash flow from this expansion should be funneled directly into investments, not into buying new cars or toys. You have conquered the foothills of financial stability, and now you are looking towards the summit of true financial independence. Time is beginning to work in your favor as your assets start to generate small amounts of returns on their own. Protect this growing empire by reviewing your insurance and legal structures, ensuring no unforeseen event can wipe out your progress. Year 4 is dedicated to optimization and leverage, fine-tuning your financial machine to run at maximum efficiency and speed. Take time to audit every recurring bill you have, negotiating better rates for insurance, internet, and subscriptions to cut fat. Eliminate hidden costs that have crept back in, ensuring your lifestyle inflation does not eat up your increased income earnings. Leverage your stability to look for bigger opportunities. perhaps a rental property or a larger business investment you feared before. You now have the capacity to bridge the gap between working for money and having money work hard for you. This is where the magic of compound interest begins to become visible, adding significant value to your net worth annually. Share your knowledge with others, as teaching reinforces your own understanding and builds a supportive community around your journey. Your financial life should now resemble an automated system, requiring only occasional maintenance to ensure everything is running perfectly. You might notice that your investment returns are starting to cover some of your basic living expenses. A huge milestone. You hold the key to freedom, not because you are rich yet, but because you are in complete control of tomorrow. Welcome to year 5, the phase of acceleration and mastery, where the heavy lifting of the past pays off exponentially. The snowball effect is now undeniable. Your money is generating more money than you could save from your salary alone. Assets are no longer just a concept. They are the primary driver of your wealth accumulation and your future security. Your physical labor becomes less important as your capital takes over the role of the primary breadwinner in your life. You have built a system that works while you sleep, travel, or spend time with the people you love most. The tree you planted in year 1 is now a massive oak, providing shade and security for your entire family. Now you can focus on legacy, giving back, and investing in projects that matter to you personally and spiritually. Looking back, the sacrifices of the first year seem small compared to the massive freedom you have unlocked for yourself. You have graduated from needing to survive to being able to thrive, designing a life strictly on your own terms. This is not the end of the journey, but the beginning of a new chapter where money is no longer an obstacle. Your story becomes a beacon for others, proving that with discipline and a plan, financial freedom is accessible to everyone. You have mastered the game of money, and now you are free to master the much more important game of life. Freedom is not a destination you visit. It is a state of being you build brick by brick, day by day. 5 years will pass regardless of what you do, so you might as well spend them building something meaningful and lasting. Do not wait for the perfect moment to start. The perfect moment is the second you decide to take control. The world is full of abundance, and this roadmap is your personal guide to claiming your share of that prosperity. Keep your compass pointed towards your goals, and do not let temporary setbacks knock you off your chosen path to wealth. Financial fitness is just like physical fitness. It requires consistency, patience, and the refusal to quit when it gets hard. Transform your relationship with money from one of fear and scarcity to one of confidence, control, and endless possibility. The view from the top is spectacular, but the character you built during the climb is the true reward you keep as you rise. Lift others with you, for true wealth is not just what you keep, but what you can give. Imagine a life where money discussions are no longer a source of tension, but a source of planning and excitement. Your time is the only non-renewable resource you have, so stop trading it cheaply and start investing it wisely. Wealth buys you the option to say no to things you hate and yes to the things that make you come alive. This plan works if you work it, requiring no special genius, just the commitment to follow through. One day at a time, look in the mirror and ask yourself if you are ready to commit to 5 years of focus for a lifetime of freedom. Every decision you make is a brick in your wall of wealth. Ensure you are laying them straight and true. Tend to your investments like a garden. Neglect them and they wither. Nurture them and they will feed you forever. Economic storms will come, recessions will happen, but your plan ensures you remain safe and dry while others are washed away. You will develop an immunity to market panic, understanding that volatility is the price you pay for long-term growth. Set your sails correctly, and the winds of the economy will take you exactly where you want to go eventually. The greatest legacy you can leave is not just money, but the financial literacy to manage and grow that money. Success is rarely a straight line, but a jagged path that trends upwards as long as you remain faithful to the process. Choose the hard path now so you can walk the easy path later, rather than taking the easy path to nowhere. If you are in debt, keep walking towards the light. The tunnel has an end, and the outside world is beautiful. There is no feeling quite like the weight of debt lifting off your shoulders, allowing you to stand up straight again. Harvest time will come, but only if you have been diligent in planting seeds and protecting your crop from pests. Financial peace brings mental peace, clearing the noise from your head so you can focus on what truly matters to you. You are clearing the runway, and soon you will be airborne, cruising at an altitude above the daily financial struggles. Visualize your success daily, For your mind will work subconsciously to make your reality. Master the vision you hold. Inside. Stop counting the days until payday and start making the days count towards your net worth and your long-term goals. You are the sculptor of your own life, and your financial habits are the chisel you use to shape your destiny. Saying no to temporary fun today allows you to say yes to permanent freedom and luxury in the years to come. Maintain your laser focus, avoiding the shiny object syndrome that distracts so many people from their true financial path. Your potential is as vast as the ocean, limited only by the boundaries you place on your own imagination and effort. Build relationships based on value and trust, for your network is often a leading indicator of your future net worth. Never stop learning, for the rules of money change, and those who adapt are those who thrive in any economy. Money is a tool for good when in the right hands. Strive to be the person who uses wealth to bless others. Be a lighthouse for your family and community, showing them that stability and prosperity are possible even in dark times. True wealth is the ability to be fully present in the moment, unburdened by the worries of yesterday or tomorrow. Your life will blossom in ways you cannot yet imagine when the constraints of financial stress are finally removed completely. Keep this roadmap close to your heart, refer to it often, and trust that each step is leading you forward. There is no ceiling to what you can achieve, only the floors you build to stand upon as you rise. Stand tall, dress the part, and act like the wealthy person you are becoming. For confidence attracts opportunity like a magnet. Celebrate your wins, no matter how small, to reinforce the positive behavior that leads to even bigger victories later on. You have the key, you have the map, and now you have the motivation to unlock the door to abundance. Gratitude is the final ingredient, for appreciating what you have now is the fastest way to attract more into your life. Do not let another day pass in hesitation. Start your year one today and change your family tree forever. From a single seed of intention, a forest of prosperity can grow, providing shelter and resources for generations to come. Walk boldly into your future, knowing that you are equipped, prepared, and capable of handling whatever challenges arise. Save diligently, invest wisely, grow constantly, and claim the freedom that is your birthright as a disciplined creator. If this roadmap has inspired you, please subscribe to Video Creator and turn on notifications for more life-changing content. Thank you for watching this detailed roadmap. Please subscribe to Video Creator for more insights on mastering your financial destiny.